Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, sir. I am Edsel Teves Darol. I'm from Negros Oriental. I'm a single mother. I have one daughter, 9 years old.
Okay, what is your education?
My education is college graduate AHM, Hospitality and Management.
Where did you graduated?
Negros Oriental State University in Baez City.
Okay, so did you finish the 4-year course?
Just only 2 years.
Okay, so your vocational finished 2 years?
Yes.
Okay. So how many brothers and sisters do you
I
have?
have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. I'm third.
Okay, so please tell me about your working experience.
I'm working experience last year in 2010. Work in Jordan. 2010 start until 2014. Then second Oman. 2017 and until 2019. And working also here in Philippines. 2024, 23 and 24 in Orsumpo. Sugarcane.
Okay. So you work in first in Jordan.
Yes.
So what are your job duties there? You work there for 4 years.
Working in taking care of children too, and also cleaning, cooking also, sometimes cooking and
How old are the kids?
kids is 3 years old and 6 years old.
You're the only maid in the family?
Yes.
And how about in Oman?
In Oman also 3 kids. I'm taking care of 1-year-old and cleaning also, and then taking bath of baby also.
How old is the baby when you work in Oman?
Work in Oman and the baby is 1-year-old and other one is 5 years old and other one is special child is 9 years old.
Okay. So you do all the household chores in Oman also?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know how to taking care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I'm making the diaper and I will take the temperature and also feeding the milk.
Okay. Do you know how to shower the baby?
Yes.
What do you need to prepare?
I will prepare water and
You also need to prepare towel and soap, right?
yes.
What do you need to take care of during taking care of the baby?
After the ears, nose, and mouth, and also spill the water in the
Do not go too inside, right?
yes.
Okay. Do you have a long patient for those children who are
Yes,
naughty? Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Do you have dogs and cats in your house?
Yes.
Do you have any allergy?
No.
Okay. Do you eat everything, right?
Yes.
Do you love cooking?
Yes, sir.
So what food can you cook?
Filipino food and native food.
Are you willing to go cook Chinese food?
I will to learn the Chinese food.
Okay. Can you sing a song for the baby?
Yes, like ABC and some for the baby also.
Okay. Can you sing now?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, G, E, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. Boys and girls come sing with
Okay.
me.
Thank you. Can you assist the other person and assist them all their needs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you clean the car without extra pay?
Yes.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
I am the future employer, may honest and cheerful and
Can you promise to finish the 2 years contract?
yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Thank you so much.